So welcome to Koh Young here at SEMICON West in Phoenix, Arizona. Delighted to be joined by Joel Scutchfield. Great to see you again, Joel.
You as well, Trevor. Always good to be together, and here we are back again. This time in Phoenix, which has a little different vibe. I think most of the people I've talked to tend to like it. So let's see what happens. We had some very nice traffic yesterday, and hope for more today. It feels like it's a little better fit than where we've been the last couple of years. So
good, good. So let's talk about what the Koh Young offering is here for the back end packaging industry.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
So as we continue to expand in the space, we continue to promote the Meister series for both AOI and SPI, and these are basically our high resolution systems for hybrid system and package applications, kind of the precipice of breaking into that what we typically refer to as the SEMICON world, where we're taking a look now at balls and bumps and pillars, etc., down into the roughly 35 micron range. At both SPI and AOI, 25 megapixel cameras, so we offset the increase in horsepower with regards to resolution and inspection capability with the larger camera that allows us to maintain speed. So again, that's really our.
So what sort of what packages are you sort of inspecting? Really?
So it could be everything from flip chip CSP, flip chip BGA. Again, combination embedded die, combinations of all of the above die, direct die attach with our traditional SMT components in hybrid applications. Again, system and package applications, etc. So that's our primary focus this week. We are also sharing more information about the Zeta probe, which is the next step in the evolutionary process here to go below that 35 micron level.
So this is the machine that's specifically for clean room use to go into much tighter geometries.
So at the end of the day, we'll have two form factors. The ZenStar, which we introduced a couple of years ago, is basically our clean room inline mechanism form factor for FOUP handling, EFM, robotic load for wafer handling, wafer applications. And that's again clean room designed, et cetera, et cetera. So in those cases, that would be the system that we would certainly promote. Now that system can be configured with the same technology that we're using in the Meister, the Moire interferometry, the 8 projection, where we're using the Moire to identify the Z value of every pixel, and then from that,
so you can use
Metrology.
So what you're saying is you could use the Zenith inspection head in either machine, depending on whether you're using a wafer configuration or whether you're using a panel configuration.
Correct.
Yeah.
So
there's a lot of stuff going towards the panel.
There's a lot of moving parts here. So try to keep me focused, right? So again, the ZenStar form factor, the larger form factor with the articulating robot included, again, would be wafer, wafer processing, clean room, again, FOUP, EFM, the whole 9 yards. For panel applications, now we can obviously utilize the technology we have here as is today with the systems we have on the floor here, 35 micron, as I mentioned. The Zeta probe, which is currently again, that next step in the evolution will take us down to that sub 30 micron range, what are typically referred to as micro pumps, right? So that can also be configured in this machine, for panel applications, or in the ZenStar for those inline applications on wafer, where again we're now needing to go below that 30 micron level. So so we have a kind of a mix and match opportunity there, depending on the application, but technology to fit both applications, both needs.
Okay. So that's sort of a fairly flexible.
That's the idea. That's the idea.
Offering.
What do you need? We can offer it in both. We can offer it in both form factors, if you will, both frames, and then obviously the long-term plan is to go beyond that even further, right? So the Zeta probe is the first endeavor into that micro bump space.
Yep.
But we also know that the market demands go far below the 20 micron level, let's say, right? So we're working on that as well, and that will be something I'm sure we'll be able to share more on as we go forward.
Interesting.
But,
well, I mean,
everything evolves, right?
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Well, you've just enjoyed. I think I'm right to say that your best quarter ever for Koh Young Americas. So you're still the brand of choice on the SMT assembly side.
Yes, we
let's
are.
Hope, let's hope you can.
Or at least that's what the market's telling us, right? No, we're very happy about that milestone, I guess you can say. We've been incorporated here in the Americas for 15 years now. This is actually our 15th anniversary this year. And yes, our Q3 was the best quarter that we've ever had in that entire time. So, and of course, there's a lot of things driving that in terms of the activity with AI and data servers and data centers and all of this kind of thing.
It seems to be what's driving things at the moment, isn't it?
A lot of it, a lot of it for sure. And again, Mil-Aero, right?
Yeah.
Aerospace, all the initiatives that are very germane to the current administration's agenda. Right. Seem to be doing well, and that's certainly something that we've been able to benefit from.
Excellent.
And we look for that to continue going forward. We were at the show together a couple of weeks ago in Guadalajara, and we heard a lot about a better outlook for 2026.
Yes.
So specifically with regards to automotive. So we'll keep our eye on that.
Yeah, I think as companies start to get their heads around the tariff situations, things settle down a bit, then you're going to start to see a steadier flow of work coming back.
That's my feeling as well, Trevor.
Yeah.
Between getting the tariffs at least for now stabilized, right, and the new depreciation laws, or bringing back the old 179 depreciation opportunity. Little drop in interest rates never hurts.
Never hurts.
So all of those things working together, I think are driving what we saw in Q3, and again, we certainly expect that to continue through Q4 and into 2026.
Okay. Well, we'll certainly look forward to it. Come Apex, I expect to hear.
That's right. We'll give you a full update how we finish the year and what the start to 2026 looks like. And, we'll hopefully have some good news then as well.
Great. Look forward to it then, Joel. And thanks for coming in today.
No, thank you for having us. We always enjoy having you in the booth and sharing whatever we can about all the good things we have going on. So.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Koh Young is leading a smart revolution that will change the world of electronics manufacturing. Based on our pioneering True 3D measurement-based inspection technology, we revolutionize the solder paste inspection market to such great lengths that 1 in 2 SPIs sold today is from Koh Young. Building our SPI technology, we expanded to automated optical inspection, also known as AOI. Every year, we introduce new award-winning innovations and have proudly earned the respect from thousands of customers across diverse industries. Aside from our R&D center in Korea, we have research facilities focused on artificial intelligence and deep learning across the world to help us further develop proprietary AI technologies for your challenges. With our global network of sales and service centers, we aim to respond quickly to your needs and to deliver the highest level of customer satisfaction.